PM. Applications are invited from eligible executives for appointment to the post of Director Finance on regular basis for Energy Efficiency Services Limited to be posted at the corporate office of EESL presently in New Delhi. Last date for online registration and submission of applications is 20th May 2021. Indian Institute of Management IIM Amritsar is the 15th IIM set up by the Ministry of Education, earlier Ministry of Human Resource Development, with on October 14, 2015, IIM Amritsar Board of Governance and Society was constituted. IIM Amritsar at present offers a postgraduate program in management. This program has been designed to provide world-class management education so as to meet the requirements of enterprises across sectors by producing highly insightful management professionals. The institute is committed to imparting strong educational foundations and values in the hearts, thoughts, and actions of the future managers. Owing to its indefatigable allegiance to providing exam, Amritsar has established itself as the vanguard of quality education and learning in a short span of time. Indian Institute of Management IIM Amritsar invites online applications from eligible Indian citizens for one position of HR supervisor and coordinator, director's office on regular or contractual basis. Last date for submission of online applications is 28th May 2021. For further details, updates and to submit online application, please visit www.iimamritsar.ac.in. It is notified for the information of all concerned that recruitment advertisement dated 8th December 2020 by the Cotton Corporation of India Limited inviting online applications for various posts published in various newspapers including Employment News, National Career Service Portal and also displayed on the website cotcorg.org.in/recruitment has been cancelled due to certain administrative reasons. The application fee will be refunded to the candidates shortly. Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for appointment as Junior Associate Customer Support and Sales in Clerical Cadre in State Bank of India. Candidates can apply for vacancy in one state only. Candidates can appear for the test only once under this recruitment project. The candidates applying for vacancies of a particular state should be proficient, reading, writing, speaking and understanding in the specified opted local language of that state. Preliminary examination will be conducted tentatively in the month of June 2021 and main examination will be conducted tentatively on 31st July 2021. Candidates are advised to check the bank's website regularly bank.spi/careers or www.spi.co.in. Detailed advertisement available on bank's website bank.spi/careers or www.spi.co.in/careers. IIM Shillong has been set up with a vision of expansion and mobilization of facilities for offering good quality management education and research in the northeastern region of India. The decision of coming up with an Indian Institute of Management in the Northeast was unanimously taken by the then Union Minister of Human Resource Development along with the Chief Ministers of the Northeastern states in the review meeting held at Shillong during June 2004. Shillong was drafted as the permanent location for the institute after ministers of states of the region. Its vision is to become an internationally recognized management institute with a global outlook grounded in Indian values. The mission is to generate and disseminate knowledge in all aspects of management education for sustainable development and to develop innovative leaders with strong ethical values. The core values are openness to new ideas and experiences, intellectual freedom, self-experimentation and creative management education, and to help the graduates grow into innovative leaders of the future. The institute provides opportunities outside the classrooms as well, be it industrial interactions, sports competitions, cultural activities, or entrepreneurial pursuits. The quality of instruction, rigorous course curriculum, and exposures that the students get at IIM Shillong when prepared and confident to face the challenges of the corporate world. Dynamic and motivated faculty with a passion for teaching and research and zeal to excel in the field of management education and various areas of management. Professor, associate professor, and assistant professor